Hi, I'm Graham Simpson. I'm a Basie Level 4 ISTD ski teacher. Welcome to Skiing for Beginners. In this video, we're going to cover traversing and parallel turning for beginners. So to learn the parallel turn, the first thing we're going to do is traverse across the hill. So traversing is moving across the piste in a straight line to get from one side to the other, but always look up the hill first before you set off. And we're trying to transfer that weight onto the downhill ski. I know the weight's on the downhill ski now because I can take the weight off that uphill ski. There's no weight on that whatsoever. So now to link the parallel turns together, we just do a constant movement up and down, transferring the weight from one ski to another, turning the feet at the same time, and then flexing back down. So to start the parallel turn, we've got our weight on the downhill ski. Just extend up slightly, transfer the weight from one ski to another, turn both the feet at the same time, and finish the turn. And so in today's video, we've learned traversing, transferring the weight from one ski to another to help us go into linked parallel turns.